Now, welcome to HK.
They're not afraid to try new things, different things, to increase productivity. It's fun. It's fun to see the new things every year that they develop.
Since we got fiber lasers, that's the thing that really saves the time. And then with the lasers, because they're so accurate, we save time on machining, holes, and stuff like that. And then for the welding, you don't have to clean as much slag off them, so it saves a lot of time.
The system itself is amazing how simple it really is in the scheme of things, because the communication between our automation and our lasers has been beautiful, because so many times you see the errors and the different things that come into play with different systems and working together.
They've hired a lot more service techs this last year, a lot more different locations, and that has been and will be making an immediate impact on fixing the downtime. I mean, things happen on a machine, and it's nice to know that there's going to be a tech within a few hours of our location that can get there quickly and get the job, get them back up and running. So